Hello everyone, I am Nandini MK studying in Sri Venkateshwara College of Engineering. My topic is segmentation. Now let's see a segmentation. A process is divided into segments. The chunks that a program is divided into, which are not necessarily all of the exact sizes, are called segments. The next one is segment gives the user's view of the process which paging does not provide. Here the user's view is mapped to physical memory. The next one is segment table. It maps a two-dimensional logic address into a one-dimensional physical address. Each table entry has one base address. It contains the starting physical address where the segment reside in the memory. The next point is it maps a two-dimensional logic address into a one-dimensional physical address. Each table entry has a basic address. It contains the starting physical address where the segment resides in a memory. The next point is segment limit, also known as a segment offset. It specifies the length of the segment. Now we have to know the types of a segmentation. The first point is virtual memory segmentation. Each process is divided into a number of segments, but the segmentation is not done all at once. This segmentation may or may not take place at the runtime of a program. The next point is simple segmentation. Each process is divided into a number of segments, all of which are loaded into a memory at runtime, thought not necessarily continuously. Now we have to know what advantages and disadvantages in the operating system. No internal fragmentation. Segment table consumes a less space in a comparison to page table in a paging. As the complete module is loaded all at once, segmentation improves CPU utilization. The user's perception of a physical memory is quite similar to segmentation. The first point of advantages in flexibility. Segmentation provides a higher degree of flexibility than paging. Segments can be of a variable size and processors can be designed to have a multiple segments, allowing for a more fine-grained memory allocation. The next point is sharing. Segmentation allows for a more sharing of a memory segments between a process. This can be useful for a internal process communication or for sharing code libraries. The next point is protection. Segmentation provides a level of a protection between a segment, preventing process from accessing or modifying another process. Memory segments, this can be helpful in the security and stability of the system. Now we have to know what disadvantages. As processes are loaded or removed from the memory, the free memory space is broken into little pieces, causing external fragmentation. Overhead is associated with keeping a segment table for each activity. Due to the need for two memory access, one for the segments table and the other for main memory, access time to retrieve the instruction increases. The first point is a disadvantages in fragmentation. As I mentioned, segmentation can lead to external fragmentation as a memory becomes divided into smaller segments. This can lead to wasted memory and discrete performance. Then another point is overhead. Using a segments table can increase overhead and reduce the performance. Each segments table entries requires additional memory, and accessing the table to retrieve memory locations can increase the time needed for memory operation. The last point in the disadvantages, complexity. Segmentation can be more complex to implement and manage the paging. In particular, managing multiple segments per process can be challenging, and the potential for a segmentation faults can increase as a result. Thank you.